Okay, class, we're going to do kind of an extension of lesson 5-6A, and this is 5-6B, finding scale factor. If you remember in 5-6A, they would tell us what the scale factor was, if it was a half, or if it was 2, or if it was 3 over 2. Today we are going to find that scale factor, and we are going to identify the type of dilation, whether it is an enlargement, which means the dilation has a scale factor greater than 1, or if that dilation is a reduction, which means we have a dilation with a scale factor less than 1. In example 1, we have a diagram here with a triangle DEF and its dilation D prime E prime F prime. Notice that the dilation is marked with the prime marks. We are going to find the scale factor. Now I've got it copied down a couple places. It's image over original. If I look at my diagram, D prime F prime goes right here. Now to find D prime F prime, I have to add the 3 and the 6 together, because D to F is 3 and F to F prime is 6. So if I'm going to find D prime F prime, I have to add the 6 and the 3 together, which makes a 9. And then DF, which is 3. Now I simplify that. 9 divided by 3 is 3, because scale factors are stated in lowest terms. So the scale factor here is 3. We need to add an N onto the word A to make an, because it is an enlargement. In example 2, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find the scale factor, we're going to identify the type of dilation, and we're going to add something new. We're going to find the ratio of the area or areas. Again, we are going to take image over original. And that's very important that you remember that it is image over original. It's very similar to what we're going to be doing in another lesson coming up. Now, in this particular instance, I know B prime C prime, and I know BC. B prime C prime is 3, BC is 5. That is already in lowest terms, so I have found my scale factor of 3/5, or 3 to 5. And in this case, the dilation is less than 1, or the scale factor is less than 1, so my dilation is a reduction. Now, ratio of the areas. Remember that area is always found in square units. So if I'm going to find the ratio, I need to square the scale factor. In other words, I'm going to take 3 over 5, and I'm going to square it. That means I need to take 3 over 5 times 3 over 5. Going back to our fraction chapter, 3 times 3 is 9, and 5 times 5 is 25. So the ratio of area is 9 over 25. At this point, you hit pause, and you work out example 3, and then I'll go through it. Okay, let's see how you've done. Now, we always want to remember that it is image over original. And in this case, I know B prime A prime, and I know BA. B prime A prime is 2, BA is 5. That is in lowest terms, so my scale factor is 2/5, or 2 to 5. My dilation is a reduction, because my scale factor is less than 1, and the ratio of the area is going to be 4 to 25. Now remember, I need to take the scale factor squared, which means I take 2 over 5 times 2 over 5. Again, going back to my fraction chapter, numerator times numerator, and denominator times denominator, since I cannot do any diagonal reduction. And that concludes lesson 5, 6B, Scouting Out.